Hey gems, how you doing? How's the kids? How's the dog? And how's the grass? So I don't know, I feel like that was the old me. I don't know, I kind of want to change that up a little bit. But basically, hey gems, how you doing? How's the kids? You don't have kids? Okay. See, this is how it happened. Okay, do you have a dog? Okay. How's the grass? Everyone has grass. Until everyone doesn't have grass. So just, hey gems, how you doing? This is a request by one of my gems, my gents, and I guess I never really did one of these before. I don't think you guys really know me. You just see me, but do you know me? Well, you're not gonna know me, but you're gonna know a little bit about me. So I'm gonna do a couple questions. Not sure how many I'm gonna do. Depends on how I'm feeling, but just random questions. Okay, so we'll start off with the basic. What's your name, baby girl? What's your name? My name's Ymerandisse. Ymerandisse Ymerandisse. That's me. Origin, possibly French, because I'm Haitian. I'm assuming it's a French origin. But I've heard it's Japanese. I've heard it's Hawaiian. But girl, I'm going to pick Hawaiian because I like Hawaiian. It's spelled Ymmanick, but it's pronounced Ymerandisse. Okay? Get it right. Ymerandisse. Yeah. How old are you? I am 26 years of age. But I have the soul of a 96-year-old. And I have the spirit of a 6-year-old. So, how old are you? You choose. Depending on how I am when I'm around you, you can tell me how old I am. Deep, deep, deep. Anyways, okay. Now we're going to get a little bit into deep questions. Or some, I'm picking random questions. Where does your channel name come from? MiniiMani. So, high school. My first day of high school. Was it high school? Yeah. And this boy literally like just tapped me on my shoulder. And I guess he knew my name. I think he knew my name. He's the one who gave me the name, honestly. This boy from high school started calling me MiniiMani. I'm 4'11". And Ymerandisse, Mani. So, bam, MiniiMani. And I was trying to find a YouTube name. It was going to be the Mini Corner. And I'm like... And then MiniiMani happened. If you could live anywhere, where would it be? I want to live in Paris. I want to be... I feel like the language is so seductive. I want to live in Paris so I could speak French. I'm Haitian. I should know French, but I lost it. But I want to live there just to experience it. When I went, it was so clean, so simple. Things closed down so people could have lunch. And it was just a very... Oh, excuse me. It was just a very plain life. Simple. Humble. Just fun. It was just fun. What's your favorite color? My favorite color is orange. I want to say I've only had two favorite colors in my whole lifetime. It was yellow and then it was orange. But I love the color orange because it's just, you look at it, you just get so happy. My career is basically, I'm a cosmetologist. I'm a beautician. My favorite thing is I get to make people look... See, Ama, is that you? Lips weave. Or your natural hair. Or whatever it is. Flip it. Like, just... I used to work at a hospital. And it was a very sad environment. And I kind of, you know... I get in my feelings looking at all these depressing people. And I try to make them feel better. Trying to make depressing, dying people feel better, it's really hard. And then I fail, and then I feel bad about myself. But imagine you're not depressed, You're not dying. You just want to look good. You want to boost your confidence. You want to be out here strutting your stuff, and I helped. Yeah, that feels good. Cause like when you see someone, the first thing what I notice is hair now. You know, like this is the first thing you notice. If you don't look at this, you go here. You're here or you're here. Now, if you go from here and then you here and you're like, oh, you know, your hair says so much about you. It's a way of helping you express your personality, just being creative. Your hair is a masterpiece. It's your canvas. And I get to be an artist on your head, okay? And I get to make your vision come to reality. And if you let me be free and let me just do as I please, I get to make my vision come to reality. Just putting something on your head makes me feel good. Playing in hair makes me feel good. The best part of my career is the transformation. Long story short, what is your philosophy in life? What is my philosophy in life? This is my vision. I'm gonna show you guys my vision board when I'm done, okay? My philosophy in life, speak it into existence. What's one thing you would like to change about yourself? What's one thing I would like to change about myself? I overthink. I think that's one thing. We'll just leave it at that. What show do you binge watch? I don't watch TV. Netflix. I used to, and if I did, it would be random documentaries or random shows in different languages like French. I don't binge watch anything anymore. I'm bored. I'm boring. I don't know what TV is. I don't know what TV is anymore. Can I cook? Okay, so I learned how to cook when I went to Haiti. I spent 6 months being the chef. And then I came back to America and I stopped cooking because my mom was there. Why do I need to cook? I cook when I feel like it. So my mom used to cook, so I didn't feel the need to cook. But then I had this random urge out of nowhere to be better at cooking. So I've been practicing my skills. They are sometimes there, they're sometimes not. Maybe sometimes it doesn't have salt. Maybe sometimes it has too much salt. Maybe sometimes it tastes great. It looks great. And other times, I mean, honey, let's just throw the whole pot away. But I'm learning. So can I cook? I would say yes. My food is edible. Yeah, it's edible. My eye color, it's like I want to say brown, but it's not like a dark brown. It's like a kind of light brown. Okay, maybe it's a dark brown. In certain lighting, it looks lighter, but we're gonna go with whatever this is, okay? Okay. Are you an evening or a morning person? So, I used to be a night owl. I used to work overnights. I would do my hair overnight. I would edit all my YouTube videos at night. I would do everything at night. And then I started becoming a grandma. And I have a day job and not a night job. So now I have to be a morning person. And if it's 12:30, I'm not in bed. Oh, wow. That's bad because I'm going to wake up tired. Yeah, I'm going to be tired if I go to sleep later than 12:30. So I'm a morning person now. Is what you're doing now what you always wanted to do growing up? No. What I'm doing now was my hobby growing up. What I wanted to do growing up was be a lawyer. And I mean, it's gonna happen. It's possible. I'm only 26 years old. I'm only 26 years old. I've only lived 25. I've only lived a quarter of my life. Just about a quarter of my life. I have 75% left. The rest, like, come on now. I could be a lawyer tomorrow. Okay, not tomorrow, but a couple years. But yeah. Are you more into looks or brains? Please look good and have a brain. Because I'm like into your mind. What can you teach me? What can I learn from you? I'm pretty cute, but I got wisdom for days, baby. I may not look like it, but I could spit a little bar. I could spit a couple bars. I could say a couple things, get you thinking, ask you a couple questions about who knows what, get your mind flowing. I like to make people think, so I want you to do the same for me. I want you to be able to have me in my mind like, damn, really? Is that how it works? Or teach me something. I love learning, so teach me something. So I guess I'd say overall I'm into brains, but please be a beautiful mastermind. What is a weird thing you find attractive in a person? Okay, I don't know why it's not in, okay, I have one person in mind, and one thing that I find attractive about him is this like beauty mark. It's so big, but it's so cute. I guess a beauty mark, but it's like, is it a mole or a beauty mark? I don't know, but it's a little black dot thing. What's something weird that you recommend everyone try at least once? Okay, listen. So I don't know if you've done this or not. Maybe you have, maybe you haven't. But mix ketchup, hot sauce, and ranch together. Ketchup, hot sauce, and ranch. And it'll be like a little concoction to eat with your chicken, and your chicken. Yeah. It was weird at the time, but I tried it and I liked it. So maybe you might like it too. Why am I recording this video? I told you already. One of my subscribers requested it, so here we are. Why are you asking me questions? I ask me some questions. Do you hope to get famous one day? I don't want to be famous. I'm more of a background type of girl. I just hope to be known, but not famous. I don't want to be like, oh my gosh, your autograph. I want to be like, oh, I know you, Monique. What is your biggest fear? I'm going to end it on that one. What is my biggest fear? My biggest fear? Is it crazy? I gotta think about this. What is my biggest fear? Being a little broke hoe. Like, nah. My biggest fear, not even. It doesn't have anything to do with money, but my biggest fear is like just being alone too long. Being alone. I like people. Like, I don't want to end up in, if I were to ever go to jail, I would not make it. In that jail cell? If I, no, okay, not if I ever go to jail. If I ever go to jail and get put in like lockdown, or what's the word? The word's there, but I can't think of it. But whatever, and I'm in a place by my lonesome for a really long time. My biggest fear is alone, to be alone, to end up alone. Like, I just want to like die in a group of people around me or something. Because I don't care, I could be broke, I'll still find a way to have people around me. I'll still be fine. I want to say my biggest fear is ending up alone. I don't like that. Oh yeah, so I said I was going to end it there. So that was my different Q&A for your Get to Know Me YouTube. I hope you got to know me. I hope this helped you. Maybe draw you closer to me. Maybe bring you to my channel. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a comment below and let your girl know how you feel. If you have any more suggestions, please leave them down. And thanks for watching. Bye, Jen. Mwah.